For me, speaking, I think the airplane shape spacecraft is unnecessary. It's just for fun. It's just for some people, just for fun, just for have a beautiful look, just for fulfill some dream. But actually, a spacecraft need no airplane shape. No need. People come back to Earth just drop and use parachutes. And the space shuttle already had two crashes, not crash, two disasters, killed about 60 person already, 60 people already. The airplane shape spacecraft is needed in maybe in this we could within the foreseen era. And it may cause some unnecessary collateral damage or just fail. It's unnecessary, just for fun, just for the beauty. People, you want to back from space, just drop, use parachutes. Very convenient to pick you by vehicles.